Welcome back to the channel. My name's Jackson, here with Shakar. For this week's episode, we will be giving an update on Ethereum, Bitcoin, and then to wrap up the video, we're going to talk about a way to leverage your cryptocurrency trades on Robinhood. So first, let's get into Ethereum. As I make this video right now, Ethereum is just above $4,000, which is absolutely crazy because we started talking about Ethereum when it was just at $1,300. My explanation for why Ethereum ran up is it is simply undervalued. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum is more than just a store of value. Ethereum is a programmable blockchain where coders can write code and create apps. Ethereum also has smart contracts, which allows for financial transactions that are faster and more efficient. In the future, these smart contracts could replace some financial transactions. Now, Shakar, do you have any other reasons why Ethereum shot up so recently?
Yeah, well, first of all, I mean, the number one reason is that what you said, it's completely undervalued. The fact that it's, under $1 trillion market cap definitely means that it's undervalued. But also, a lot of people are now getting into the crypto space and, they're hearing about Bitcoin, but now they're doing even more research and they're looking into the second biggest coin there is on the marketplace, which is Ethereum by market cap. And they're getting interested in it and they're seeing the potential and they're investing in it, which, all of you guys should. It's something that's definitely going to pay off in the next 5 to 10 years. Also, if you look at the Ethereum versus Bitcoin chart, it is breaking a multi-year symmetrical triangle, and it shows that basically right now I think Ethereum is 7% of one Bitcoin, and I think this year it could get up all the way to around 15% of one Bitcoin. And that's where the crazy price predictions come in at anywhere from $10,000 to $15,000 to $20,000 per one Ethereum coin. Yeah, and also I think a big reason as well over the weekend, Dogecoin, people took profits on it because of the SNL show with Elon Musk, and now they're putting their profits into Ethereum. So that's another reason why.
Yeah, and the first half of May has been so incredible for Ethereum. What are your predictions for the rest of the month?
I think if we're keeping on track here, and I don't see it any slowing down anytime soon. I mean, if you look at the charts technically, it's insanely bullish. I mean, yesterday we had a little retracement back to where previous resistance was, and we flipped that into support. So it's looking incredibly bullish. I think easily $4,500 to even $5,000 by the end of this month.
Wonderful. So moving on to Bitcoin, as the Bitcoin dominance continues to fall, it's now at under 45%. What can we expect for the rest of the month, and when do you think it will break out of this critical $60,000 resistance?
Well, it's tough to say for short-term timing, but I believe that right now, like I said, a lot of people are getting into crypto and they see Bitcoin at such a high price that they don't want to get into it because they feel like it's already, got to the top, which it obviously hasn't, but that's what they think. So they get into like these smaller coins, and all these like meme coins like Dogecoin, Cardano, Ethereum, which obviously Ethereum, Cardano are very good coins, but Dogecoin is useless and you should not invest in it. But basically, people are just more interested in making more money, which is, I mean, obviously reasonable. But again, I think this month it's going to be the same thing that we've had for the past month and a half, where the Bitcoin dominance just keeps going downwards. But I believe next month in June is where Bitcoin will hit all-time highs and start claiming its market cap of all crypto back a little bit, the dominance back a little bit. So,
All right, that's awesome. And do you have a price prediction for the end of the month for Bitcoin?
for end of this month, I mean, again, I don't know exactly, but I believe that again next month, by the end of next month, would be at 70,000 for sure. That's conservative. Yeah.
Okay. Awesome. So to wrap up this video, we're going to talk about how to leverage your crypto trades on Robinhood. So towards the beginning of May, as I watched Ethereum take off, I researched how to leverage crypto trades on Robinhood without margin on YouTube, and to my surprise, nothing came up. So I came up with my own solution. Option trading mining companies like Amara and Riot. Because these mining companies increase in value as Bitcoin increases in value, you can indirectly leverage your crypto trades through options. And options are very complex, and I encourage you to look up a in detail YouTube video on options trading. But the basics are option gives you the right to buy a certain amount of shares at a certain date known as the expiration date. So basically you're leveraging your trade because one contract is equivalent to 100 shares, and you pay a premium for this 100 shares, which is usually far less than actually buying the 100 shares. The downside, of course, is that if the contract expires worthless, then you can lose your whole premium, as opposed to if you bought 100 shares and the stock price goes down, then you lose a small percentage. So high risk, high reward. Let's check out Mara, shown right here, and I'll show you what it looks like and how to do it. So here we have the Marathon Digital Mining Company. We have the stock. It's down 8% today, but that's just because as Bitcoin trades sideways, Mara tends to trade in the negative, in the red. So we go to trade options, and here Robinhood gives you this handy dandy description of how to buy a call and what is a call, how to sell covered puts, and then if we go here, these are puts. So in general, calls means you're bullish on the stock and puts means you're bearish. So we're going to go to an expiration date. As far as Bitcoin, Ashikar said this month he predicts trading sideways. So we're going to go to June 25th, the end of next month. And we're going to go up to an out of the money call, meaning it is nowhere near the share price, which is 25. And we'll go up to, let's say, 35. So the credit or the premium is going to cost you $1,100, but this is going to be way cheaper, I think $2,000 cheaper than buying 100 shares. And buying this at a strike price of $35 does not mean that the stock has to go up to $35 for you to make money. You can resell the contract back into the market for a profit once it increases in value. So that's how you leverage your trades on crypto. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and comment what you liked or what you'd like to see. All right, thanks. See you next week.